Hearing "that's a wrap" is a moment of joy and relief, but sadly, it's far from time to crack open the champagne. After the grip truck is loaded and off the dock, the editing phase of your project begins. In this StudioKurcan 60-second quick tip, we'll step through all of the video post-production phases. Logging is one of the most time-consuming stages of the post-production workflow. Ingesting all of the content, checking focus, audio clarity, and often transcribing all audio takes for reference. The rough cut is the first look at the fleshed-out story. It should have a music bed, transitions, and 4 placement-only placeholders for any pending titles, motion graphics, or special effects. The fine cut should address all notes gathered from the rough cut. All FOP elements are replaced with working drafts. Audio should be balanced, and if indicated, a professional voiceover track included. Once all elements have been approved, the locked cut can go into audio mastering and color grading. This cut will include any ADR effects, compositing, and closed captioning. Finally, the master is rendered and sent out for distribution. You can pop that cork and bask in a job well done. While the post-production process may seem daunting, proper planning and execution will make it a lot easier to bear. Stay tuned to SK Backstage for more insights, tips, and tricks.